when you look at the disease, so the disease, it's Conn syndrome. Okay, so typically, when you go to the gross lab, you'll typically see this very pigmented lesion, which is an adenoma. It's very orange, very very vascular as well. And typically, the features of Conn syndrome include hypertension. You have muscle weakness because you're losing the potassium, and also you're going to have possible paralysis because of the hypokalemia. Potassium is really regulated well in the body. You typically have to be between 3.5 to 5, and also you can get polydipsia and polyuria as well. Okay. So whenever you see this, whenever in the scenario you have hypertension with hypokalemia, you want to have a broad differential for your diagnosis, because that's gonna help you out with differentiating other ones as well, which I won't get into all the details right now. So the answer is C, Conn syndrome, and let's move on to the next question.